state.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Go back.
Go f yourself.
No, you go f yourself.
Охуеть. Охуеть, она даже не посмотрела в эту сторону.有得出貓。哦，你出貓㗎？
又唔係要出貓，佢就嚟佢出現咧係同咧佢自己死咪佢傻㗎！碰咧你問啊？碰啊！
Ooh, go get him! Go get him! Go get
Happy.
Oh,
Don't know what's around us.
Jesus Christ.
Don't know what my future
What the fuck is wrong with these people?
Okay. Nice, slow, and then just... Yeah, no, it was a tap.
Yeah,
it was a tap.
It was a tap.
No wonder it's not a scratch.
we're following the car who just sped up behind us and screeched his brakes real loud. So I'm just gonna get his license plate. Most certainly am.
Stupid.
U22
Yeah, you two S
XJ.
XJ.
Yo, what's your issue? Huh? No. Stop your car. Turn your car off. Turn your car off. You sped up behind me. You're not listening. So don't do that. Just listen first. You sped up behind me. You almost caused us to have an accident because of you. Because of your driving. Because you slammed your brakes, all right, and you sped up behind it. I'm not just making this up. This is what you did. Again, you're not listening. You caused an issue. You're making this an issue by your driving.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding me?
Yes, sir.
I'm not trying to make it an issue. I'm telling you that your action precipitated an issue, a possible issue.
Yes, sir.
Don't patronize me. Don't patronize me. Just do better. Don't patronize me. I'm not a child. You're a child. You're acting like a child. I just want you to do better. I get it. You got a nice car. But do better with your nice car. Don't cause problems for yourself, man. Young man. Do better.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Why are you worried about me?
Okay, so there you go. Now, see, you should have told me your name. I got your license.
You gotta be careful, man.
What?
You almost fall
I'm telling you what my problem is.